YT, what's up? It's your girl Arielle, aka Arielle, and on YouTube Flute Angel 1. I am back. Like I told y'all, we'll be making more videos, so I'm here to show you what my Bobbi Boss Ocean Wave looks like when I straighten it. Some of y'all might be saying, is this the same Ocean Wave from last year? Yes, I purchased this hair in January of 2011, and we are now in February of 2012. Currently, the way my hair is installed is in a quick weave. I did it myself. I used Salon Pro 30-second weave wonder after I braided my hair and molded it and blow dried it. I put this on top of it and blow dried this and went to work gluing. Yeah, so that's how I got this. It's really cute. But yeah, so this is the same hair that I've had since last year, so I just want to let y'all know how it's doing. I still have a love-hate relationship for this hair. I'm still trying to figure it out a year later. But it was an investment, and when I invest in something, I make sure I get my money's worth. So I'm here to show y'all what this hair looks like while it's straightened. So far, I've only done the back of my head, and right here, and a little bit of this side. But I'm gonna let y'all see how I do the rest. Okay? All right, y'all. And I know, shame on me, but I'm not using the heat protector. I think I have a lot of argan oil in this hair. I did a quick wash yesterday, but I know I didn't get all the argan oil out this hair. Usually in the mornings when I wear it curly, I spray and go with water and argan oil. And I did a quick wash yesterday with my Cream of Nature, what is this? Shampoo, the Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo. So yeah, I use this. So yeah, no heat protectant. Next time, maybe. Not today. Sorry, y'all. And what I'm using to flat iron my hair is the Hairstyle flat iron. I don't know if y'all can see this. And I got it in the Forever Classic Hairstyler flat iron. You can buy this online or purchase it at the mall at the booths, the people who be chasing you down. But yeah, so let me continue on. It's super straight, and I'm 5'5". Let me tilt this down for y'all to see. And it comes way past my boobs. I guess they call this your waist to my waist. It's waist length. It's booty, well, yeah, it's booty length in the back. So yeah. my Bobbi Boss Ocean Wave, now straightened. Um, Ignore that piece right there. Yeah, this is it now straightened. Straightened beautifully. It's very straight. I love it. Hopefully, it can stay like this all day. I'll let y'all know what it's like tonight. How straight it stayed. And this is a fine tooth comb. You see how easy it glides through it? You know this would never happen when it was curly, but liking it straight, curly slash wavy, excuse me. But yeah, this is it. Okay, guys. I'm back. I went out, been out, doing my thing all day, and I'm back. The hair has waved back up some, not a, well, yeah, it's wavy now. Um, it didn't rain today or anything. It's just humid. It's been looking like it's gonna rain all day. But yeah, you look at it, some wave in it, but it's not curly. So yeah. So the hair does straighten, bone straight, but it doesn't stay, excuse me, bone straight. So, but I like it. Hair is cute. Been getting compliments on it, and it's very movable. It moves with you. All that extra stuff. Like I told y'all, I have a love-hate relationship with this hair. I think I actually prefer it straightened, flat ironed, and styled or curled up with flexi rods than its natural curl. Handling it in its natural state is hard. You have to keep it moisturized or wetted every other day so it won't look nappy or whatnot. But when you straighten it, the hair is wonderful. Even the ends are good. I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but wish I could see y'all could see this. They're really not that bad. I have some virgin Peruvian hair that when I flat iron it, the ends look horrible. And this looks way better than that. I've had this hair less than I've had that hair. And yeah, and this looks better. But yeah. So love the hair while straight, not as much while curly. I've noticed a lot of girls who love this hair on YouTube. They usually flat iron it straight and then use flexi rods to roll it up, and I think that's why they love it. So flat iron it first, flexi rod it up, and you'll like it. Flat iron it and wear it, and it'll wave up. You'll like it. Wear it natural. It's gonna take some work, but you might like it as well. Um, but yeah, this is a 1 year update on my Bobbi Bosch Ocean Wave hair. Right now, it's looking pretty cute. Straightened it, let it wave back naturally on its own, and I'm loving it. So that's my take on this hair, y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.